Today I will take you to the northern part of Ghana where we will see fabric weaving. Our tour guide is amazing at explaining all of this, but because of the sound of the traffic, I was not able to save exactly what he was saying. But he was informing us that fabric weaving in Ghana is usually done by men, but in this location, it's done mainly by women. The main material that is weaved here is kente. It's a type of cotton silk fabric made in the northern region of Ghana where we are right now. During this tour, you will see how the fabric is weaved. This is all handmade. First, I will take you to how the weaving all begins. As this is not a public space, and there are different religious groups here, permission was granted by the individuals to take pictures, videos, and also post on this channel. In this video, I will go through the steps involved in fabric weaving from preparation right to the weaving itself. Okay, to take your face in the picture. The song here is a weaving song. Music is in the heart of all Africans, and back in the days, they would sing while they're weaving. Now, let's get to the steps involved in fabric weaving. Step 1 is the spooling of the thread. The thread used is cotton and silk, as kente is made of cotton and silk. Step 2 is a different type of spooling. The spools of thread are placed on spool holders, and the thread is tied to the spinning wheel, and all the thread is pulled around in a circular motion to achieve the length that is desired for the weaving. Step 3 is preparing the thread for weaving. One end of the thread is tied to the loop where the weaving will begin. The other end of the thread is where, the length of the thread ends. It's tied to a hook and is secured by something heavy, which in this case is some bricks. Step 4, the weaving begins. This is the step where the thread is turned into fabric or cloth, as it is often referred to. Now that you've seen the steps, let's now see how the actual fabric weaving is done. Imagine, this is so amazing to watch, turning thread into actual fabric. At some point, lifting of the thread is required at the other end, and this is done manually by some of the ladies. You will also notice that there are different types of weaving going on here.
Impressive.